one of our better selling models, 2008 Shelby GT500 Mustang Coupe. Performance white, ebony and crimson interior. Actually, I believe one of 38 in that color combination, so pretty rare car when you break it down. Of course, 5.4 liter dual overhead cam, supercharged. V8 underneath the hood, putting out 500 horse. Of course, all amenities, power steering, power brakes, AC. You can see the black stripe on white, which is also not real common. We'll let you know there is a license plate bracket in the front, has been taken off. You can see there are a couple holes. You'll see those in the pictures. Does not stand out a lot. A guy could plug that or put the license plate bracket on, depending on if you're from a state that's going to need that front license plate on there or not. The other thing I wanted to mention, depending on the states, right now I have the side windows rolled down. It still looks plenty dark, but in the still pictures, I have them rolled up. They are tinted, so check your local state laws there. They are dark, so I know here where we're at, that's not going to fly that dark. Just give you the heads up on that too. I mean, it looks great on this car, but depending on where you're at, make sure you're conscious of that. If you want to check out those still pictures so you can see what I'm talking about, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. I have not noticed much for nicks, dings, chips, scratches, anything like that on this car. That front bumper face, I did notice where that bracket was on, and then I'll show you another little tiny one I noticed on the roof. So pretty darn clean car. You can see up and down the side of this, straight, also not full of dings, nicks, scratches. Now, of course, Carfax clean on this one, no accidents indicated. Will come with a clean title. There's that ebony and crimson interior. 6-speed manual transmission, of course, in the GT500s. This one also has a Shelby plaque above the stereo system. Stock Shaker 1000 stereo system in this one. Riding on the original rims and tires. By the way, this car has less than 10,000 miles on it. It's in the 9,000 mile range, and I'll fire it up and we'll check that out here in a second. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the exhaust. It does have a Borla exhaust on it. You'll be able to see that in the underside pics. If you noticed from the side stance of this car, it is a little lower than a stock Shelby GT500. Has KR springs on it. So a couple subtle differences there than this would have came from Ford back in 08. Once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. In the trunk of this, you're going to see pictures of a window sticker, original window sticker, so check that out. There is also certification of participation for a Carlisle event that set the world record for most Shelby vehicles in one place. Check that out. That's in the pictures also, as well as the cover. Now, that one little tiny, and if I can even get it to show up on here, I did notice, I don't know if you'll even be able to see it. There was one little touch-up chip there. I don't know if it shows up or not. So overall, very clean car as far as nicks, dings, scratches. All right, let's go ahead and check out the interior of this. Like I said, ebony and crimson. And not much wear as far as bolster, seat, anything like that. That's a nice shape. Power driver seat, of course. Manual passenger. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Inserts on this car. As far as the door panels go, nice shape. Not separating. Something you see also pretty common this vintage Mustang. Steering wheel controls for the cruise control. Of course, that Shaker 1000 system. go ahead and start this up. I'm going to show you the exact miles on it. Oil exhaust sounds great. Any of these vintage Mustangs. Alright, there's your exact miles coming up. 9,410. Like I said, Shelby GT500 plaque. Dash, everything in nice shape. Rear seats don't look like they've been sat in. You can tell that from the still pictures. Check those out. Headliner's in good shape. Alright, let's slip around behind us because you get a nice throaty rumble out of that 5.4 with that oil exhaust. Got it like that. Alright, I'm going to come up to the front here. Pause this a second. I want to pop that hood. And this is the heat extractor hood, stock hood that became the Shelby GT500s. Let's check out that engine bay. There is a Ford Racing, a little heavier duty strut tower brace in there. So hold on, let me pop this hood. Let's check it out. Alright, hood popped. A couple things I want to show you under here. Look at this hood liner. Not full of any road grime debris. All this car's been driven in nice weather. The other thing you notice right away, red line struts. You don't need the hood prop rod that way. So something else that was added. You can see how clean and tidy this engine bay is. How smooth that engine's running. Sounds great. Gen 5.4 liter dual overhead can, supercharged V8. And then I also rolled up the windows when I popped that hood. I just wanted you to be able to see the dark side glass. So again, check with your local state laws as far as the window tinting goes. Just want you to be aware of that. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Remember, 2008 Shelby GT500, less than 10,000 miles. We do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.